UTI Innovation Fund. Will this fund add more returns to your portfolio, or will this fund add more risk to your portfolio? Let us analyze that in detail and do a complete review of this NFO. This NFO is open till 9th October 2023. It is an open-ended equity fund. It comes under thematical category. This fund focuses on innovation theme. Benchmark of this fund is Nifty 500 Total Return Index. Minimum investment amount is 5,000 rupees and the fund manager is Ankit Agarwal. If you are redeeming it before 1 year, there is an exit load. If you are redeeming it after 1 year, there is no exit load. Now, what is going to be the investment objective of this fund? The investment objective of this fund is to create long-term wealth by investing in equities related to stocks which are focusing on innovation theme, stocks which will get benefited out of innovation theme. What is the suitability of this particular fund? Is this fund suitable for you? Because this fund is going to focus predominantly on innovation theme, the sectors like healthcare, automobile, consumer electronics, technology and the like will be part of the overall portfolio. The scheme is suitable for aggressive investors who are willing to take risk and also who are bullish on the innovation theme. So to invest in this thematic fund, as an investor, you have to satisfy two conditions. One is you should be an aggressive risk-taking investor because this fund is focusing only on one particular thing. This is not going to diversify across all the sectors. No. This fund is going to benefit only on the sectors and stocks which will get benefited out of innovation theme. And second condition is you should have a complete outlook on this particular theme and you should be bullish about this particular theme. So if your outlook satisfies that this theme is going to be very brighter for next 3 years or 5 years, then this fund will be suitable for you. What are all the advantages of investing in this fund? This fund is reasonably diversified among the top performing companies in the innovation theme. As an investor, if you are looking for innovation theme, then this fund may be suitable to you. If the innovation theme picks up and delivers very good return, then UTI Innovation Fund can add a very good return to your overall portfolio. This fund comes under high risk and high return category. This fund is suitable for aggressive investors who are really bullish on the innovation theme. What are all the disadvantages of investing in this fund? This is very important because as an investor, you are not supposed to focus only on returns. You need to focus, in fact, over-focus on the risk involved in any investment opportunity. Being an equity fund, obviously this fund is riskier for your short-term money. If you are a short-term investor, please avoid this fund. This fund is obviously not suitable for your core portfolio. In your core portfolio, conservative and well-diversified equity funds are needed. Not all great themes always translate into good stock market returns. Some themes are really good to talk about, but it may not get good results for your overall portfolio. Many things will not convert into good returns. Because you are focusing on one particular set of sectors and one particular theme, you are overexposing your portfolio to negative triggers. If something backfires in that particular theme, then your portfolio will suffer a lot. This fund is not that flexible and dynamic when compared to a diversified equity fund. Because in a diversified equity fund, the fund manager can choose any sector, he can choose any theme. If he is bullish on innovation theme, then he may invest more on innovation theme. If the fund manager is very bullish on cyclical theme, then he may invest more on cyclical stocks. So it is completely dependent on his outlook. He can change the sector and he can change the theme by which he is investing. Whereas in UTI Innovation Fund, even if the fund manager knows that innovation theme is not going to do well for next 5 years, he is forced to focus and invest only on the innovation theme. Because here the mandate itself is to focus only on innovation theme. He will not be able to take any kind of deviation from that, even in an extreme worst situation for that particular theme. This works completely against you as an investor. UTI Innovation Fund is a thematic fund and focuses on one particular theme. Portfolio concentration will be there. Concentration can increase the overall volatility and risk quotient of your portfolio. If the innovation theme underperforms, then this fund can bring down the overall return of your portfolio. Timing the innovation theme is very much important. When you are investing in any thematic sectoral fund, entering and exiting that theme at the right time is important. Only if you are able to time the entry and exit into that particular theme, then it will work. So timing, is it in your circle of competence? Okay, we have discussed what are the advantages and disadvantages of this fund. What is the plus, minus, everything we have discussed in detail. Finally, do you have to invest in this fund or do you have to avoid this fund? It completely depends upon as an investor on you. What type of investor are you, or what is your requirement at this point in time? Based on that is what we have to decide. As a first time investor and a conservative investor, you need to avoid this fund. If you are a first time or a conservative investor, you may be choosing a completely diversified large cap fund, not a concentrated thematic fund. If you are someone who is very bullish on innovation theme, and also you are looking this fund for only for your satellite portfolio, not for your core portfolio, you are an aggressive investor willing to take risk, even then we should invest in this new fund which is not having any track record. Whereas there are innovation funds available in the market, existing funds which has got good amount of track record, where you will be able to study the portfolio. You will be able to completely analyze the portfolio, and based on that you can take a decision. So if you are bullish on innovation theme, you can select an existing portfolio with the track record and portfolio. Obviously, this fund is not suitable for you if you are looking for funds for your core portfolio. If you don't know when to enter or when to exit innovation theme, please avoid this fund. Before investing in any mutual fund scheme, please consult your financial planner or a professional mutual fund distributor, because 4 things are important before selecting an investment scheme. Because the investment objective of the fund and the financial goal of you as an investor have to match. Number 2, what is the risk profile of the fund and what is the risk profile of you as an investor? Both have to match. What is the portfolio of this new fund and what are all the existing portfolio in your mutual funds and in your stock portfolio? If there is an overlap ratio which is very high, then you have to avoid. If the overlap ratio is very less for the new scheme in question, then the new scheme can bring real diversification to your portfolio. Otherwise, you are buying the existing set of stocks which is there in your portfolio through a new fund that can be completely avoided. Over diversification can dilute the return. The 4th question that needs to be answered with the help of a financial planner and a professional mutual fund distributor is how much to invest in this new scheme. Do you have to allocate 2%, 5%, 10%, 20% of your equity portfolio? Only with the help of your professional mutual fund distributor or a financial planner, you will be able to decide. So please consult your financial planner or professional mutual fund distributor before deciding to invest in these kind of schemes. I'll again meet you in yet another useful video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.